Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how can we use mustard which is available in our kitchen for making mustard cake liquid fertilizer in this video. I will cover all aspect of that. So let us start the video. To make mustard cake liquid fertilizer, we need three things. First is the sarson, which is also called as mustard. The second is this jaggery, 1 spoon of jaggery. And the third thing is 2 teaspoonful of vermicompost. To make good quality liquid fertilizer, we need proper fermentation of the mustard, and for that we are adding jaggery as well as vermicompost because they contain favorable bacteria. First of all, we have to crush the mustard in the kitchen. This is mustard powder which I have developed by crushing it in the mixie jar. Mustard contains around 30% of oil in it, and as we are preparing this fertilizer at home, it is necessary to remove the oil from the powder of mustard. To do so, we need either a cloth or a tissue papers. Here you can see I have taken 2-3 tissue papers and I am uniformly distributing them so that it will be having good thickness of a paper, and then we have to spread the powder mustard on it uniformly. You can use either tissue paper or notebook paper or newspaper or even a cotton handkerchief for removal of the oil from the mustard powder. Here you can see I am spreading the powder thoroughly and then I am covering it with another tissue paper so that it will get easily rolled. While rolling, we have to apply proper pressure so that whatever oil is present in the mustard powder will get transferred on the tissue paper. Keep rolling until you feel that almost all oil has come in the tissue paper, and then check whether it is actually coming like this or not. Here you can see in the surface or on the tissue paper, you can see that the oil has come on it, and almost all oil has transferred from the powder of the mustard into the tissue paper. Keep rolling for few more minutes and apply proper pressure so that oil get transferred. Here you can see almost all oil has been transferred from the mustard powder into the tissue paper. Now you can see that the mustard powder is ready for the preparation of our DIY mustard liquid fertilizer. For that we need one bowl filled with 1 liter of the water, and then we have to transfer whatever mustard powder is present on the surface of the tissue paper. Here I am finding some difficulty in transferring the powder from tissue paper into the bowl. So in that case, if I would have used that cotton handkerchief, then it would be easy for me to transfer that. So I will advise you all to use either cotton handkerchief so that it will get easily transferred and you will not find any kind of the trouble while transferring that. So be sure in that way. Transfer all mustard powder which is present on the tissue paper thoroughly into the bowl. After that, we are going to mix the powder with the water, and then we will add two more ingredients into it. The first is jaggery and the another one is the vermicompost. Jaggery contains favorable bacteria for fermentation. So we are going to add 1 spoonful of jaggery and 2 teaspoonful of vermicompost. Jaggery contains favorable bacteria which will promote and enhance the fermentation of the mustard. I have provided link in the description box below. If you want to know more about jaggery, kindly check that link in the description box. After addition of the jaggery and vermicompost, we have to mix the ingredients thoroughly, and don't worry about the jaggery because jaggery will get eventually dissolved in the water. Then you have to take one lid like this which has perforations on it, and you have to close the bowl using that lid because that perforation will allow continuous supply of the oxygen into that bowl. And every day you have to open the lid and you have to aerate it once by moving the spoon into it like this. I had prepared similar bowl 7 days back. Now let us see what has happened. Here you can see some floating material is there, and that is because of the presence of some oil which is there in the mustard powder. Along with that you can also see some white material is also floating. That white material is nothing but the fungus which has been developed because of the fermentation of the mustard powder, and this is the challenging issue of this DIY mustard liquid fertilizer. Along with that you can also see a brown color, that is because of the addition of 2 teaspoons of the vermicompost during the starting of this recipe. It is not advisable to add this liquid fertilizer into the plant because of the presence of this fungus. If you will apply it directly, then your plant might get attacked by the fungus, and to overcome this problem of the fungus, some fungicide is necessary to be added into this liquid fertilizer. So I have purchased SAF fungicide from the Amazon, and I am going to add a little bit quantity of this SAF fungicide into the bowl. I have taken very little quantity of the fungicide in a spoon, and I am just adding it into the bowl, and I am dissolving it properly. After that I am going to keep this bowl for around 5 to 6 hours so that the fungus will get removed by this fungicide, and ultimately the liquid which is present in the bowl will be ready for application in the plant, and there will not be any kind of the problem related to the fungus in future for the plant. I have taken around 4 liter of the water in this small bucket, and I am going to add this 1 liter of the liquid fertilizer into it. So total quantity of this liquid fertilizer will be around 5 liter. This 5 liter quantity of diluted liquid fertilizer would be enough for almost around 20 medium sized pot, because we need only 250 ml quantity of this fertilizer per pot. Mustard has good quantity of nitrogen, phosphorus as well as potassium. Along with that it also has various kinds of the micronutrients which are required by the plant as well as by the soil. This type of the fertilizer is good for the flowering plant as well as for your vegetable plant also. Effect of this fertilizer can be visible only after 3 weeks, and that is also the frequency of application of this fertilizer. So when you have applied the fertilizer, you have to wait for 3 weeks. Only after that you can repeat the application of this. Now let us see how can we apply this fertilizer in our plant. You have to take 1 mug full of this liquid fertilizer. Then you have to apply or add a little bit quantity of it into your plant. This 1 full mug of liquid fertilizer can serve almost around 4 plants. One more important fact about this fertilizer is that this fertilizer is hot in nature, so cannot be applied in hot weather. It is usually used in a winter condition or in a cold climate. If you have really liked this video, please press the like button, share with your friends who are interested in the gardening, and please do subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel. See you soon. Keep liking, keep sharing. Happy gardening.